Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to transform into animals in GTA 5 using peyote plants. Whether you're aiming to soar as a hawk or swim as a shark, this guide will show you how to unlock these wild experiences in both story mode and GTA Online. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate peyote plants. You can find a peyote plant in Los Santos airport. They appear as a small green cacti with white flowers. When you're near one, your controller will vibrate and you will hear the sound of the animal you can become. Step 2. Consume the peyote plant. Once you find a peyote plant, approach and press the right button of the D-pad to consume it. Your character will experience a hallucination and transform into a random animal. This could be anything from a dog or bird to a sea creature like a dolphin or a shark. Step 3. Enjoy the animal experiences. Each animal has unique controls and abilities. Pay attention to the on-screen instructions to learn how to navigate and interact in your new form. You can explore the world as the animal until you die, underwater if you're a land animal, or press the right D-pad button again to end the hallucination. Tips and tricks. Use headphones to better hear the animal sounds when you're near a peyote plant. Remember, in GTA Online, peyote plants are only available during special events. And here are some other places where you can find a peyote plant. Special transformations. Some peyote plants offer special transformations. For example, to become Bigfoot, find the peyote plant on Mount Chiliad between 5:30 a.m. and 8 a.m. in gaming time. Keep an eye on Rockstar announcements to know when they are active. And that's how you transform into animals in GTA 5. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Share your favorite animal transformation in the comments below. Thanks for watching.